Welcome. In this video, we delve into the world of AI trading bots. By 2025, these tools have evolved dramatically, offering powerful ways to maximize your earnings. First, let's understand the basic functions of AI trading bots. They automate trading decisions based on algorithms, allowing you to capitalize on market opportunities effortlessly. When selecting a trading bot, key features such as user-friendliness, reliability, and market intelligence are crucial for effectiveness. AI trading bots employ complex algorithms to analyze vast market data and trends, empowering users with real-time insights. Effective risk management is essential. Bots help you minimize losses through set parameters, ensuring you can trade confidently. To set up your bot, follow best practices, select the right settings, understand the algorithms, and regularly review performance. Choosing the right platform is vital. There are numerous options available in 2025, so consider factors like usability and support. Track your bot's performance using integrated tools that provide comprehensive reports on success and areas for improvement. Let's explore some inspiring case studies of users who have transformed their trading practices and maximized their earnings through AI. The landscape of AI trading is continuously evolving. Stay tuned for future trends and innovations that will shape the trading experience.